Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and I'm about to do a ride along. This fragrance here, this is Aqua Dubai. It's by Haramain. I got this not too long ago, and when I smelled it, I was very impressed with the smell of it. And then I think I sprayed a little bit on my hand either then or later on, and it seemed like it was going to be a good, long-lasting fragrance for it to be a fresh fragrance. I was like, maybe I should do a ride along. So here we go. Get this ride along going. Get the sprays. I love the sprayer too, man. Oh man. So regular sprays. I got a lot of skin exposed today because it's supposed to be, I think, get up to like around 80 something, 85 or something like that. So I am going to do that. Let's get a little bit on my shirt also. All right, so there we go. Locked in, back in on the cap. And right now it is 11:43 and the temperature, I got this new watch face. It actually has the temperature on there. I think it's 75 degrees if that's coming in for you guys. 75 degrees now. And it's 11:43. So it's supposed to get a little bit warmer today, so we'll see. All right, roll with me. Let's check out this ride along. All right, so I'm back in doing a little check-in, and it is now 12:48, just about an hour over, and now it's 80 degrees. If that's going to come in there, I don't think it's coming in. There we go, 80 degrees. And fragrance obviously is pumping pretty strong right now. It's gotten warmer, and the fragrance is around me. I got a nice scent bubble around me, so I'm happy about that. It's still kicking, and yeah. So that's my check-in for right now. It's only been an hour, but you know. And I got this on top of it, so I can still smell the fragrance on top of under my skin. All right, let's check in a little bit. Back in the house, and I been running around a little bit. It's actually a lot later than I planning on doing the update. It is 3:48, and right now, let's see, it's 86 degrees. Let's see if that's going to come in. Not sure if that's going to come in, but it's 86 degrees now. And I still have a little slight scent bubble around me. It's not projecting as much as it was in the beginning. It's really a little bit closer. I'm smelling it when I move around. Like if I move from side to side, I kind of catch my own sillage. And so yeah, still doing good. So I'm thinking if I walk past someone, so people will probably still be able to smell me. And the other thing is I did go to the gym and I got a nice little workout in, and I was sweating a lot. So I'm surprised that the fragrance is still here. I would have thought it would have, like I would have sweated off, but still going. So we're gonna keep rocking with this and see how far it's gonna last. Again, it's 3:38, 3:49 now, but all right, roll with me for a little bit. All right. Hey, what's going on, folks? All right, I am back in. It's been a pretty good day today. I've been doing a little bit of everything. I actually got a chance to lounge around, which I don't get a lot of time to do that, but this fragrance is worked for me. Right now, it's pretty much a skin scent. I can smell it if I dig my hand or my nose into my skin. I can smell it, and then I get very short kind of hints of it when I'm moving around. So I don't think if I'm walking around someone that they would smell me. I'm not sure if that would happen, but it's been a long day, and right now it is 6:52, and the weather right now is 85 degrees. Let's see if that 85 degrees come in there. I don't know, but it's 85 degrees right now. Still warm. It's lasted all day for me. So I put it on like around 12 o'clock think it was like 11:45 or something like that. So it's 6. So it's been a good amount of time. Worked out for me, especially for a fresh scent. So yeah, I'm glad to have this. It's I don't know if I mentioned it before, but this is a clone of Imagination by Louis Vuitton. So let's just go ahead and chop through the notes. The notes of Aqua Dubai. Good fragrance. If you can find it, go ahead and pick it up. The top notes are bergamot, green notes, and mandarin orange. The middle notes, we have amber, melon, blackcurrant, and pineapple. And then in the base notes, we have musk, petitgrain, vanilla, and galdamum. So, what I get from it, it's just a kind of, let me give a spray from the beginning because it smells different now. Yeah, from the opening, you get, it's like a sharp citrus kind of vibe to it with a little creaminess with it. Where's the creaminess coming from? Not sure. Maybe the melon or the green notes. It almost kind of smells like the creaminess might be coming from the musk, but I can't imagine. The musk is in the base notes. I can't imagine smelling that on the top, but that's what I do smell. And then now it's really close. It's kind of more of like a watered down vanilla kind of vibe, and almost a little bit of woodsy vibe to it. So it's nice. It's a different smell, but the opening of this is, whew, it is amazing. It's really, really good, and the performance is really great. Just taking another look at the bottle. The front of it is just all blue, and it has the gold or bronze writing. And then on the side, it's all clear, and if you can see at the back, it has this gradient where it's dark blue here at the bottom. Let me get me out of the frame, and then it turns into a lighter yellow at the top, which is pretty cool. I think that's mainly because of the back of this label here. Like, it looks like it's dark blue at the bottom and then maybe golden at the top. But yeah, it's a great top, great fragrance, and the top snaps into place, and the sprayer is amazing sprayer. Nice. So yeah, this is a great fragrance. I'm glad I got it. This is kind of new to my collection. Not kind of, it is new to my collection. I think I've gotten it in the last, well, this year. So yeah, it's a good one. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. I appreciate your time coming along with this ride along with Aqua Dubai. I wanted to try this out like in the real world. I've worn it a couple of times around the house in the evening, but I want to see how it is actually outside moving around and on a warmer day. And now that I know that it's going to perform well in like warmer days, like 85, 90 degree temperature, I know, whew, I can really put this in the heavy rotation for the summertime. All right. It's been me, your boy Will, with the Will Report. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about this fragrance. Till next time, deuces.